How's it going, everybody? My name is John. I'm here today with Patrick Volvo Cars, part of the Patrick dealer group in Schaumburg, Illinois, and we have another exciting video today because once again we're going to be talking about the Volvo EX90. It is just an absolutely incredible vehicle, one of my favorite cars that came out last year, and now we're going to be talking about the best features on this car. So stay tuned to find out what those are. Let's go. All right, so the first feature we're going to talk about has got to do with that big bump on the roof of the car. That is going to be the Lidar camera system. Pretty much one of the first production cars to have a Lidar camera system, and it is truly amazing. It's going to use those cameras. There's a bunch of cameras in there. It's not just one. You got all the sensors around the vehicle and all the other cameras around there too. They're all going to combine and help create kind of a 3D map of the environment around the car. We're going to get into a little bit more of that a little later, but it is basically going to be able to help with safety and autonomous driving in the future and create what Volvo calls a safe space around the car. So it's going to be doing a lot of work behind the scenes to know exactly what's going on all around the vehicle at all times, to let you know that it's going to be looking out for you and help with autonomous driving in the future. It is really, really fantastic. I've used it a lot in the test drives that I've done on it, and it works phenomenally well. Next up, probably one of the coolest features. A little bit unnecessary, but I just love the design detail they went to with this new EX90, and that is going to have to do with the headlights. I've always loved Volvo's Thor Hammer headlights, but they've really just taken these ones to the next level, and that is because they have a little party trick in it as well. So I'm going to bring the camera up close. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here because it's just awesome. So check it out. I really just love that attention to detail. Again, just something that I've never seen on another car. It's like a reinvention of like pop-up headlights back from the 90s and early 2000s. I just absolutely love it. So what it's actually doing is, it's not lit up right now, but these are all daytime running lights. They'll light up as the car is actually driving around. And then whenever you need your headlights, it actually splits open, and that's gonna allow the actual headlight beam to shine through. It's just really, really cool. It looks like the car's kind of winking or like kind of smirking or kind of lowering its eyes or opening its eyes. It's just a really, really cool design feature and gives the car just a completely different look. And it definitely wouldn't look as kind of striking as it does, I think, if it had a normal kind of headlight like in every other car. It's just got these cool little squinty eyes. I just absolutely love that design detail. And again, something you're only gonna see on the EX90. But let's go hop in because there's a lot of cool stuff in there too. All right, hopping inside of the EX90, not just because it's cold, but because there's a lot of cool tech features inside this car. And we're gonna start off right with the big elephant in the room, which is this big screen in the middle. Now, Volvo has for a long time had kind of smaller screens in their infotainment systems. Even up until last year, they were slightly behind the 8-ball, I think, with that, but not anymore with this new EX90. It is really, really nice what they've done with this infotainment system. So we're gonna jump into it and go through a couple of my favorite things on here. All right, now starting off, I really like the fact that they did a portrait kind of display. Just gives it kind of a more unique vibe, slightly even more upscale too, and it doesn't take up like the entirety of the dash. I know it's so huge and it does look like it takes up a lot of the dash, but if this was horizontal, it would just somehow look even bigger. But they did a really, really nice job on this system. I like the fact that the Google Maps is always going to be kind of front and center. Of course, you can move things around with all these little tiles and pick and choose where you want things, but I really like the fact that your navigation is always going to be kind of right in there, biggest, right on the main homepage, and just allow you to just jump to things really easily. And then you've got your shortcuts for music, radio, things like that. I really like the home bar down at the bottom too, to jump to your favorite apps that you're going to use. Google Assistant being right in the middle also, which is very, very good. You just hit the button, ask it to do whatever you want, or you can say, "Hey Google," it'll pop up and it'll ask you how it can help you. All right, and to finish it off, probably the most important feature of this car has got to be the battery pack on here. It really is the best driving electric car that I've ever driven, which is quite a few now for the dealership, and it just drives so well. I don't even think it's comprehensible to even compare it to a gas-powered car, because it drives a lot better than a lot of those cars as well. If you were to put somebody in there and they just wouldn't know, they had, you know, noise-canceling headphones on so they couldn't hear if there was or wasn't an engine, people wouldn't still be able to know. It's that good of a car. It is so smooth and just unbelievably nice to drive that I don't care what powertrain is in this car, it just drives exactly how you'd want a luxury SUV to feel. This powertrain has 510 horsepower, 671 foot-pounds of torque, can charge in 30 minutes on a level 3 DC fast charger, can do 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds, and can do over 300 miles in range, which is just unbelievable. It just does everything you want. Yeah, you gotta plug it in every once in a while to charge it up, but then you're good for like a week for normal people. It is really just fantastic, and it takes a lot of the kind of compromises that other electric cars have to make to be, you know, viable for living with every day, and it just throws those all out the window and says, yeah, electric cars can do it too, and they can be absolutely fantastic at it. So yeah, just an incredible powertrain. I really, really like the way that this drives. Maybe my favorite car of last year, and maybe for 2025 too. So we'll see how it goes. But thank you all so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like and a comment down below. Let us know what you guys think of the EX90. I hope you agree with me. It is just absolutely fantastic. We're getting more of these out on the lot, so we're really excited about that. So stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Have a great day. As always, if you need any parts, service, or sales help, please reach out to Patrick Volvo Cars in Schaumburg, Illinois. Number is down below. We'll be happy to assist you in anything you need. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Have a great day.